I begin to I begin to
this egg is not like this. Looks like I'm gonna be cooking. I have just pulled out the pancake pumpkin. I am gonna boil this for my child, and then I'm thinking I'm just gonna do rice and meat together with just these cucumbers. I don't think there's any waru. I think I'll also do cabbage. I have actually decided, since we are so many in this house, I will mix the njahi and the carrots and beef, and then I also do plain rice. I think 2 cups should be enough, or 2.5. And then let me show you guys my baby's malenge is boiling. Actually need to add some water. You're going to wait. Yes. Anyway, so this is what's going down. Hey, I'm calling Papa. The meat is boiling. And carrots, everything is really prepped. So this is what my baby is feeding on. In the mashia, the cucumber and kitungu and Are you enjoying, Kenny? Yeah, I'm enjoying. Yeah, and the popcorn's in the inside, and you see what is coming out here. Morning, guys. How's everybody doing? It's Monday morning. And if you actually end up seeing this clip, it's the start of something new, something fresh. I'm dressed up in a suit because I am going to somewhere new for my pupillage. I think I'll talk to you guys when I see it. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're not home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh. You're mine for sure. So I'm hoping I'm peke yangu kwa hii road. Anyway, let me just vlog. Let me now vlog properly. I am at Kenya School of Law, and this is my outfit. I don't even look like I'm coming to the law school, but it's because I couldn't, all my nice official clothes. I couldn't afford to wear them because of the rains and my shoes. My rain shoes when in a car. Yeah, anyway, that's what's up. I have so many errands to run today, and I'll take you guys along with me. I have it's hot. It's a bit hot. I have decided I just go have my snacks or early lunch. I'm not too sure. Hi guys, KMPDC to do with us. Hey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Kaylin! Acha kutoa happy birthday to you! I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Otro año de felicidad. Guy, nikadonye. Na umepika tomato sauce mob leo. Najua naikianga mtu mmoja. Yeah, this is the
Bana hiyo ya wale iko inakaa hivyo ama ilikuwa inakaa. Mimi nikaenda niambie
Happy birthday, Kaylee. Happy birthday, Kaylee. Happy birthday, dear Kaylee. Happy birthday to you. Nikukulishe keki.
guys, usikute nimeruka.
Tatu nikukulisha baba John melala. Happy birthday. Good morning guys. Well, good morning. It's Thursday, but it feels like Monday because yesterday was a public holiday and I didn't do much apart from resting. I thought I'd do something interesting, but I didn't. I'm headed to work and I'll see you guys later. That's the situation on my desk. That's the situation on my desk. The last time you will see me ordering, unless everybody for being such a help.
Okay.
Tangu tangu nikuja hapa, your work has significantly reduced. Not that it doesn't look the way it's been advertised. So sad. About bite. Easy pork. It's low. It's imagine they're calling it a loaded fries.
Yeah.
Just. Atakula? Side. Imagine. Dembe. Papa. Walk. And I washed my hair. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you, happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday.